right, so today is an exciting day for me. I know it may not be a big issue for some people. One thing I cannot stand is having really crappy sound system in a vehicle. All the speakers in here are blown. There are two little dinky 4-inch speakers, and I can see it through the little speaker grills that they're completely blown out. There is zero cone left on these. I'm also going to be replacing the head unit with a Bluetooth unit that I got.
You know you gotta have the Bluetooth.
Stay tuned. Ran into a little issue with the dash for the radio. The radio's not sitting flush with the stock dash. I'm gonna need to actually cut it just a tad bit more. So everything's installed and it's sounding much better than it did before. We installed the new head unit and the two 4-inch speakers in the dash. The previous owner installed two 6x9s in the back seat in these little wedge boxes. Now it's a good idea, but I'm not really too fond of the whole back seat being taken up by these wedge boxes, pretty much just sitting on the floor. Drop a comment below if you have any ideas or have seen any other ideas for these extended cab pickups to where I could put some speakers where they're not just taking up all the back seat. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification so you can follow me along this journey of restoring my '93 pickup.